Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a secure device and confirming your registered mobile is reachable. This prevents failed OTPs. Once ready, open PNB Net Banking, enter your customer ID and password, and complete the OTP challenge. This authenticates you. After login, make sure to navigate to the profile menu immediately, because the Manage Access option is inside Settings. This first navigation step places you where you can change permissions for linked accounts and users without delay. Once in Manage Access, select the specific account you want to modify and choose Add or Remove User depending on your goal. You assign roles and transaction limits deliberately. Pick View Only, Transfer, or Admin rights, because wrong rights create security or operational problems. After configuring, review changes and authorize them. The system will prompt for a fresh OTP or TPIN. Make sure to double-check limits and recipient restrictions before confirming, since those settings directly control who can move money. To finish, save all changes, then log out and log in again to validate that new permissions took effect. This ensures session caches are cleared. You should receive SMS and email confirmations. Verify those and perform a small permitted transaction to confirm functionality. If anything goes wrong, such as persistent OTP failures or missing options, reset your credentials, check registered mobile number, and contact the branch or PNB customer support. They can resync your profile and resolve authorization mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.